Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to this tutorial series. In this episode we're gonna be creating a permissions shake. We're gonna shake if the command user doesn't have the required permission to run a certain command, and if they don't have the required permission, we're gonna send them a message clarifying why they cannot use the command. Why you want to do that is, let's say you create a command, a ban command. You wouldn't want everybody in your server to be able to use it. You would only want your administrators or moderators to be able to use it. So that's why it's important to do this permissions shake. So let's go right ahead and go to our events folder. Under the interaction category, we go to interaction create, and then we're gonna create another line under the line 14 or 15, and we're gonna create an if statement. So if command.permission, so if the command has permission, and here now we're gonna define the author perms. The command uses permissions, so we type const author perm equals to interaction.channel.permissions 4, and here we're gonna pass in the interaction.member. So we're gonna shake the permissions that that member has in that channel. And then we're gonna write another statement. We're gonna check if they don't have the permission, then we're gonna return them with a message. So if exclamation mark author perms, or if or exclamation mark author perms dot has, and here we're gonna pass in the command dot permission. We're gonna create these brackets, and here we're gonna create in the error embed. So we type const error 1 equals to new message embed. I already defined the message embed over here. So we're gonna set the color of the embed to be red because it resembles an error. And then we're gonna set the description. We're gonna add a quick emoji. You type, or you press Windows plus the dot, and this menu should pop up. And now you type you do not have the required permissions to run this command. Alright, and here we're gonna type command dot permission. Simple. And then we're gonna send it. So we're gonna type return interaction dot edit reply, and here we're gonna pass in the embeds array and pass in the error 1, and then we're gonna delete this error message after 3 seconds, or you can set the amount yourself. But what we're gonna be doing is type dot then. Sorry, we're gonna go to one more line and type dot then send, and here we create or set timeout. So set timeout, and now here we're gonna type send dot delete. And here we're gonna pass the time. I'm gonna put it to be 3 seconds, which is 3000 milliseconds. You can put it as whatever you want. And now it's basically done. So let's try if this is actually working. If you go to our one of our commands, let's say the ping command, we're gonna go down one more line here, and we're gonna type permission. And I'm gonna set it to be administrator, so only members with administrator permissions can use this command. So now let's restart our bot. If we go, I'm gonna go on my main right now, and I'm gonna type I'm gonna use the ping command, and it should send the ping normally, like you see. But now if I go on my alt account and try to use that command, I don't have any role here. So type /ping. It should send that you don't have to have the required permission to run this command, and this is the permission, and then it deletes it after 3 seconds. So it's all done basically. It's pretty simple to check for permissions. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode.